Hey loves, it's Brianna. Today's video we are kicking off spring cleaning. I'm going to be taking down my Valentine's Day decor, getting some spring decor out, and starting to spring clean downstairs here. So make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you don't miss any more of the spring cleaning videos or any of the other vlogs that I've been posting as well.
But I want you close. Just need you to know that I want you close, closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot, now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be, you know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, closer than before. And no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. Hiding all my feelings, broken from the start. Wish you never leave me. Am I going too far? But I want you close, closer than before. But I want you close, closer than before. And no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better.
All right, I've got all of the Valentine's Day decorations taken down. Just did a general surface clean of all of the areas so that I can start putting out some spring decorations. I picked up a couple of new pieces at Target, and I still have some bins I have to bring up from downstairs. I brought up one though, so we're just gonna kind of get started today. So I got this almost like a blue-green vase. I just loved the color with these white florals, and I was thinking it would look really nice on the coffee table here. I don't know if I'll keep it there, but that's what I'm thinking for right now. My friend Bridget got me this candle for my birthday, but she couldn't make it to when we actually celebrated my birthday, and I just saw her the other day at coffee, so she brought that for me. And I thought this little bunny was also cute here. I don't know if I'll keep this like this, but for now, I'm just gonna kind of set it up. And then I had these for Valentine's Day decor, but I was thinking maybe I'll add them to the pictures up there on that shelf just to you know, make it look a little more springy. They're pretty versatile. Yeah, I feel like I like that. It's just like very simple, but adds that little touch for spring. I found this like fern type looking plant at Target too. So I was gonna see if it works maybe. I need to put the leaves down a little bit more or something. But just again, trying to like add some pops. I'll figure out something to go over there. Okay, I had that little flower and that other one in my office on a shelf, but trying to use some stuff that I already have. So tell me if you like the balance of that, or would you add something different? And I wanted to add a little bit of green. I liked how this was almost like a gray green. It's a very like muted green color. So I got that from the couch. I got a couple of new pillows too, just some other white ones to sort of brighten things up in there. But I loved how this one has the same like hint of a blue-green in it for spring. So see how they look. All right, here's how the pillows look kind of with everything. And I absolutely love them. I think I definitely need to find just a couple other accent pillows that sort of go with everything, because it's a little just plain white looking over there, which I still like that it's like nice and fresh and bright looking, but I really love, I think, getting a little bit more of like a blue-green mix into everything here and sort of tie in that vase as well. I got this wreath. I wasn't sure if I was maybe gonna put it outside or hang it here. I kind of like it inside here. I feel like it just kind of, again, adds a nice pop of freshness and just feels like super clean. Okay, I still need to put something over here, but I just changed out the blanket that was in this gold basket that I had from Target. That had a pink one in for Valentine's Day. And then up here, I added that green plant and some white candles, but this definitely needs more greenery. So I'm gonna look for some kind of green garland. I think I might have one downstairs that I can use, but definitely some kind of green to sort of hang there. Again, just make it feel nice and springy. It is time to decorate the 3-tiered stands, and I have to show you guys the cutest things from my friends over at Sweet Hometown Co. This Simply Lucky sign that has the kids' names on the clovers. Absolutely adorable. Then look at these, March 17th, Lucky Irish St. Patrick. This one is so cute, Lucky. I love this garland with the clovers. That's so sweet. This other Lucky sign. All of their stuff is handmade by 2 wonderful women. I'm seriously so grateful to have connected with you guys on the internet and become internet friends. But if you use the code BITSOFBRIE15, you get 15% off of everything on their Etsy store. So go support them. You guys, I know my 3-tiered stand is just gonna look amazing when I use their pieces. Like, I've been using them since this fall, and they're the absolute cutest. And how I just love the personalization, just so adorable. So tell them I sent you. Use the code BITSOFBRIE15 for 15% off. That was in the Target dollar spot when I was there last week, and I had to get this because it was so cute. Turned out so cute. I'm like gingerly walking over here. Okay, I am so obsessed with how this turned out. This is the cutest, I think, 3-tiered stand I've ever done. I love this so much. And with the Sweet Hometown Co. signs, this banner, I mean, it just like is perfection on here, but I love this so much. I feel like it turned out better than I even envisioned. You won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck. You won't grow up, and I'm getting tired. I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better. He can do me think I'm done in here in the foyer. It's just pretty simple. I have those two, I'll get a little closer so you can see them better. Sorry, the light's starting to get weird. These two flower arrangements in these tall vases, the sign that says Easter, and the little bunnies. And I put, this is actually a garland of flowers that I just sort of like rolled so all the flowers are facing up and put them in this little flower box there. So makes it look nice and bright and springy. And then here's how I decorated the foyer bench. I found another pillow that I had in another box, so I like that it adds just more springtime colors. So just blues and greens and pinks, and I love those wooden beads then, and the brown in the pillow. It all kind of offsets each other in the wicker baskets. And I need to hang that sign. I think I'm gonna put it up there.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Okay, here's what the finished bathroom looks like decorated for spring. I had this little coral floral towel, and then this was something I think I put together with everything from the Dollar Tree. Just got different blooms and a little bucket. And this is another like half of a garland that's just inside this flowers and garden tin. And that was from the Target dollar spot a few years ago. So it's just nice and bright and flowery in here now. Okay, I was messing around with this vase for a while, and I don't feel like it's necessarily finished yet. I feel like there still needs to be like something else here in the middle. But I hung that garland and made a little basket with some different greenery and some like green and purple colored florals. And I really like it because I feel like it just ties in then with the green tones over here. And I worked on the TV stand a little bit and did some Easter decorations and different bunnies and some other flowers. So it's just all very springy and Eastery on the TV stand now. Then once St. Patrick's Day is over, I'll make the kitchen Easter as well, but I've just got to clean up the floors, and then I'm gonna join everybody else for a movie night. They're upstairs watching it right now so that I could just finish cleaning down here and have it all ready to go. But thanks so much for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe for more spring cleaning and some more vlogs and lots of good content coming at you this spring. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, loves.
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would would die for you. One of us gotta say the